Hey guys, Scott with Heritage Farms, Texas. Well, remember this project? This was the first section of fence we put in, which was 800 feet when the power line company came by and cleared out the fence row. So what are we doing? Well, we're getting ready to move on to the next section. You can see we stopped right here, got a little temporary deal. Well, now we're moving on to the next section. Thought I would show you guys what this looks like. Let's walk out and look from the road. So basically I put up the electric fence today around this so that I could take this little section down. The good news is this is only 200 feet to the end of the road to the entrance gate here. You can see that one post is coming out, that T-post is coming out, and then this will angle back. We'll have a recessed entranceway. These trees are all coming out over here. Big project. 200 feet. So tomorrow we are starting to remove this barbed wire fence. You can also see there's hog wire buried about a foot in the ground. These trees are coming out. Matter of fact, every tree on this 200-foot section of fence is coming out. We've been spraying Roundup and Remedy, trying to kill all the vines, poison ivy, poison oak, all of that good stuff before we started. So that's the plan this weekend, is we're going to start deconstructing this deal. Now this property right here marks the boundary line of where we're at. So this side of the fence is ours. This side belongs to the neighbor, which we actually lease. But you can see right here on this corner of fence, I have no stretch post. There is nothing. What do I always say? No bueno. So we're gonna come in here. We're gonna put 1, 2, 3 metal posts. We're gonna go over that way with 3 metal posts, this way with 3 metal posts, and then all the way down. So tomorrow, the goal is to clear out nearly all of these trees, get the old fence down, yank up all of these T-posts, then we can come in here with the box blade, start to smooth things out, get it all nice and smooth. We can then run our mason line on where the new fence will be. And from there, start digging some post holes for the end pieces, setting T-post every 10 feet. Every 50 foot, put a wood post. And hopefully, this section of fence will look like that section of fence does. So, progress. You can check out some of our other videos. We have a 3-part series out there on the barbed wire fence, and you can kind of see what we did on the one section, which looks great. Now we just have to do this section, but you can see that side, the left side of it. So this thing will come back here, it'll angle in on this side, it'll angle in on this side, and we'll have a really nice 20-foot wide double 10-foot gate entrance. Make this thing look really beautiful and nice. But hey, we got some work. So what I did today was I set up a electric fence to go around this little clump of trees to give us room to work so the cows can't get in here and I don't have to worry about them. All right, guys, glory be to God. It's been a good week. We got over 5 inches of rain and the temperature is only gonna get up to 90. Hey, for Texas, first week in September, I'll take it. More to follow. Okay, here's an update. So we've been at this for a couple hours today, and what have we done? Well, this fence, this old fence, I don't know if you can even see it, but it had hog wire on the bottom 3 feet, and then it had 2 strands of barbed wire and 1 strand of smooth wire across the top. So what have we done today? Well, we removed all the barbed wire from this stretch, 200 feet, removed the solid wire from this stretch. We got everything cleaned out. We came in here with every T-post. We took the clips off. We cut the wire or whatever was holding the hog wire to the T-post. So the next step is tomorrow at some point, we'll come in here with the tractor. We got a little chain that has a circle loop on it that you can just loop over the top of these T-posts using the front end loader, and you can just yank them out of the ground just so fast. So that's what we'll do tomorrow. We'll get all the T-post out. And then once we get the T-post out, we'll take the forks on the tractor. We'll come in here to this hog wire with the forks, raise it up because it's buried in the dirt across here. So once we get it out on the ground, we'll cut it into about 6-foot sections, lay it flat, and then we'll get ready to carry it off somewhere. So there you go, a little bit of an update, but 200 feet of fence, clearing it out. This is the demo stage. Demo day is always kind of fun because there's hope, there's progress, you know, you have a vision, and it's always exciting when you get the demo work done and things start to clear up. But you can see, we got some trees to take out, we got some brush to take out. We're not gonna have a single fence on this because what I'm gonna put back in its place is what I would like to call a 50-year fence. It's gonna be the last fence I put up in my lifetime, and hopefully one that'll make my father-in-law pretty proud on this piece of property. And yeah, hopefully it'll be here for my daughters and their husbands, and the heritage will continue. Get it? Heritage Farms. All right, more to follow.